Hello students, myself Sri D.K. Kamlakar, Assistant Professor in Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I welcome all of you in today's video lecture. Today we are going to learn MCOM Part 2 Semester 4's subject Management Accounting and Unit number 1 Management Control System. So let's see the meaning of Management Control System. Introduction. Control is an important function of management. It is a process of monitoring an activity and initiate corrective actions if necessary. Control is essential for proper management, but general control is a different from management control. Management is the art and science of proper utilization of resources with maximum benefits to the society. Resource includes men, money, material, machinery, and time. Any organization requires knowledge, insight, and analytical skill related to how companies, seniors, executives design and implement the ongoing management system, which are used to plan and control the firm's performance. Management is not a possible without controlling. Management control is a must in any organization which practices decentralization. Planning is a precondition of controlling. The elements of management control system includes strategic planning, budgeting, resource allocation, performance measurement, evaluation and rewards, responsibility center, allocation and transfer pricing. In changing business environment, management control systems are gaining great significance in the decentralized organization. For becoming successful, the unit support to understand various aspects of management control system. Let's see the basic concept of management control system. Before defining the concept of management control system, we can understand the meaning of three concepts involved in such as management, control and system separately. Let's understand what is a management. Management is the art and science of proper utilization of resources effectively and efficiently to achieve and organizational goals. An organization consists of a group of people who work together to achieve certain common goals. An organization consists of a group of people who works together to achieve certain common goals. Management refers to the team of people at helm of affairs of an organization which is responsible for running and guiding the destiny of the enterprise. People who are leader in the organization are known collectively as a management. It includes a hierarchy of managers from chief executive to all other managers. This team has the responsibility of planning, organizing, activating and formulation of organizational strategies which are expected to attain its objective. Apart from this, they are also responsible for coordination, directing, staffing, and management control by the use of people and resources. Next concept is control. Control means measurement and controlling in a process of gathering and feeding back information about the performance so that decision makers can compare actual results with planned results and decide what to do amount apart discrepancies or problems. Control is a forward looking, it is both an executive process and a result. It is a continuous process. A control system is a coordinated and integrated system. Control includes, after planning, preparing reports about the actual outcomes, comparing these with actual plans, analyzing and classifying deviation from the plans by responsibility centers, and taking corrective actions on the basis of significance of variance. Control is an element of management process. It is analyzing whether actions are being taken as planned. It also includes taking corrective actions to make this to conform to planning. Next concept is system. A system is a prescribed and usually repetition way of carrying out an activity or a set of activities. System is more or less rhythmic, recurring and coordinating series of steps intended to accomplish a specified purpose. The complexity in business environment imposes the need of various systems in the organization. A system may be defined as a prescribed manner of carrying out repetitive activities. It involves coordination. A system is a mechanism which inputs a process for getting required output. Management control is not automatic, but it is a much self-control. It requires coordination among the individuals. Next, identification of areas of control. Prior to the designing and installing any management control system, it is necessary to identify areas of control, but they are not fixed for all organizations at all times. As per the requirements, they should be newly identified whenever the revision of required. The authorities in the subject have identified areas of control. Peter Drucker has identified 8 areas of control. Those are market standing, innovation, productivity, physical and financial resources, profitability, manager performance, and attitude development. Whereas Holden, Fish and Smith has identified 13 areas of control. They are policies, organization, personnel, wages and salaries, costs, methods and manpower, capital expenditure, service department efforts, line of products, research and development, foreign operations, external relations, and overall control. Now let's see the management concept or management control system. Management control system is a logical integration of management accounting tools together and report data to evaluate performance. A well-designed A well-designed management control system aids and coordinate the process of making decision and motivate individuals throughout the organization to act in correct. A management control system coordinate forecast of sales and cost driver activities, budgeting, measuring and evaluating performance, and motivating employees. Indeed, explicit coordination of individual activities, actions, and choices in the hallmark of the management control system. Different thinkers have defined management control system in their own perspective as given below. Billy E. Goes defined management controls as management control seeks to compel events to conform to plans. According to D. McFarland, control is in its managerial sense can be defined as the presence in a business of that force which guides it to a predetermined objectives by means of predetermined policies and decisions. As per the view of W.T. Zrom, control is some sort of systematic efforts to compare current performance to the predetermined plans or objectives, or presumably in order to take a remedial actions required. According to the J.K. Ronson, control is that function of a system which provides direction in conformation to the plans. Professor John Dearden has defined management control system in different words. As he stated, management control system in the process by which managers assure that resources are obtained and used effectively and efficiently in the accomplishment of organizational goals. According to the Professor Joseph and Calvin Kirby, management control system is a set of integrated communication structure that facilitates the processing of information for the purpose of assisting managers in coordinating the part and attending the purpose of an organizational or on continuous basis. The management control system focuses on organizational goals and objectives, internal management decision making and motivation, and evaluation of a performance consist with the organizational goals. The control process is an organizational involves planning. In many situations, planning and control can be viewed as two separate activities. Management control, however, involve both planning and control. Dear students, today we learn meaning, concept and definition of management control system. In next lecture, we will see need and importance of management control system. So, thank you for today's lecture.